Every interview we do says we need to make exports great again. How does the United States do that?
Well, Tom, the only way to get exports up again is to make us a more productive economy. And the one thing that's been dragging us down, in fact, one of the reasons why that growth has been so low, is because multi-factor productivity has been enormously, almost near zero for the last 5-10 years. And one of the mysteries about productivity is why has it dropped so much? And I think one of the reasons that people have latched onto is the lack of investment in technology and investment in modernizing plant and equipment, including infrastructure. And that's exactly what the administration's plan has been trying to do, is to shift the basis of investment toward longer-term investment, more productive investment. And that's what's going to make this economy great again, including making exports great again.
Bill, is the U.S. overheating? And if it is, are authorities aware of it? And what can they do to stop it from overheating?
You know, I'm really appalled by the Keynesian tint to all of the analysis I've heard from all of my colleagues out there, including some of my former colleagues at Citi. Everyone is so afraid that the increase in the fiscal package will increase aggregate demand and then push up inflation. They keep forgetting their Econ 101. When you increase the capacity to produce goods and services, namely you increase investment, that is a dampener on inflation. And I've been doing some research lately about what are the alternatives to the Phillips curve, right? The cyclical movement in prices governed by that unemployment gap or the output gap. And if you look at a regression, a simple regression of capital expenditure plans against inflation and some other determinants like cyclical components, you find that capital expenditure plans is a drag on inflation. So if you look at the economy, I think in a longer term perspective, the fears that come with the package is the fear that we're going to be pushing aggregate demand and not aggregate supply. And I think that's where the controversy is. That's where we need more research. How much will be the supply response and how much will be the demand response?